Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share this recreating makeup look from Selena Gomez. It's from her doing on VOGUE. She's created this look for perfect wing eyeliner. You don't need to have exact same product, just use same kind of similar product for recreating it. And don't forget, share your picture with this look on my Insta handle. For priming my face, use cream is very important. So first I am applying NIVEA cream on my plain pieces after using Neutrogena sunscreen. Now I am applying foundation on my skin and my shade is ivory. Here I am using beauty blender to blend it thoroughly. It's high coverage foundation, so you can apply. For conceal, I am using Mayebelline the concealer and my shade is light. I am applying underneath my eyes, bridge of the nose, around my eyes, also on my eyelids and little bit on forehead. Blend it same damn beauty sponge. Now lock the foundation and concealer. I am going to damp sponge over my face. It's help now set all things. With loose powder, going to apply loose powder. Here I am bake my face. Now I am dusting out excess powder from brow. Draw the arc. I am only filling gaps with powder shade, which give natural defined look by brows. Now going to eye makeup. I am using Surface Makeup Revolution's palette and pick light brown shade as my transition shade. I am applying on my crease line with round fluffy brush. Pick shimmer color from same palette. It's little darker than before applying eyeshadow. Take with fingertips and apply on eyelid. Another makeup is also done. I am applying eyeliner from LAKME eyeliner and draw the line for define wing look. And draw the line and fill the gap between the line. Now I am going to apply mascara on eyelash. Because I am not using today false eyelash because it gives natural finish to our face. Now I am going to apply blush. It's from Swiss Beauty and pick pink shade and applying on my apple of my cheek and little on my nose. For contour, I am using bronzer from Sugar in shade Pretty Wonder. In little bit for give shape to my face. For highlighting, I am using Maybelline highlight. Apply on my high points on my face like bridge of nose, cupid bones, inner corner of eyes and brow bone. Next, I am lip line and also filling the lip with same lip shade. This is the complete look. I hope you like this video. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay gorgeous. Bye bye.